In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix email notifications not working on your iPhone. First, open Settings, then navigate to the option Battery. Click on the option Power Mode. Toggle off for the option Low Power Mode, since it can stop notifications from coming through. Next, go back to Settings, tap on General. Now navigate to the option Background App Refresh. Then turn it on for Wi-Fi and cellular data so your emails apps can update in the background. Head back to the main page of Settings, scroll down, click on the option Notifications, find the app Mail or Gmail, toggle on for the option Allow Notifications. Likewise, enable for the option Sounds, Badges and Alerts. If you are using Gmail, also open its notification settings and set email alerts to all new email. And if you are using the Mail app, customize notifications for each account and ensure alerts are enabled for the inbox you want. Next, swipe down from the top right and make sure focus mode or do not disturb is turned off because it can silence all notifications. Finally, if nothing is working, do a forced restart by quickly pressing volume up, volume down, then holding the side button until the Apple logo appears. After your iPhone restarts, your email notifications should start working again. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.